Hey, it's Skillbyte here. In this video, I'm going to be installing blind spot mirrors on my truck so I can see better when I'm backing up. So before you do any test fitting or anything, I highly suggest you are parked in the grass or you have some sort of mat below the mirror so that this doesn't happen to yours. Yeah. Now, the one I bought, link is in the description. It has a pivot here. This black piece is optional, and it'll pivot. So if yours needs to pivot for whatever reason, you can use that, but you don't have to. You can use just the mirror. For blind spots, you can put it here. You could put it here. You could put it here or here. I recommend highly that you put it down here, at least if your mirror is shaped like a rectangle. Since I'm using it to back up, I don't want it here because, well, right below that is a door, so I'm not going to get to see what I want to see to back up. Again, curbs or edge of a driveway. So I'm going to put it out here. That way I have an angle to see down where the wheels are, at least the back wheel. And it is just a peel and stick. I've already cleaned the mirror with some rubbing alcohol. All right, so I peeled the outside. If you're gonna use the centerpiece, all you gotta do is peel the inside. Now, I don't know which way is best with the crack in it. That was quite unfortunate. I'm gonna put it right here, and it's gonna want to stick as soon as you touch it, and you want to push firmly to get the adhesive to stick. How many years is it bad luck for breaking a mirror? Oh, 7? I'm in trouble because I'm still working on the last mirror. All right, let's see what this will allow us to see. All right, directly in front of my face, looking at the mirror, I can see the back of the truck, and I can't quite see the tire unless I move my head, but that will work. Now, I kind of regret having the crack where I put it. I should have had it somewhere else. Oh well. All right, hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and better luck with yours.